I'm here to share with you my $30 weight loss recipe to lose 10 pounds in 1 week. So let's dive into it. Wait. First, we need to tie up our hair. Now we are ready. Let's go. I actually ended up spending less than $25. I got 2 tomatoes for $2.50. Then I got 5 sweet potatoes. It was supposed to be cauliflower. I couldn't pass up the deal. They were going for 49 cents a pound. All 5 sweet potatoes were a whopping $1.50. What a steal. Then we got the chicken drumsticks, which if you're on a low budget, go with the drumsticks. They're usually cheaper than the chicken breast. And we got 8 drumsticks for $3.25.
That's 40 cents a piece.
Come on, guys. I'm cleaning the chicken with vinegar and cold water, and I'm also removing the skin. Then give it a final rinse. Season the chicken with cumin, black pepper, oregano, and salt. But for some reason, I forgot to add salt. I had to add it afterward. So make sure you don't forget salt. Now let's cut and dice the tomato into large cubes and mince the garlic. They will both go with the chicken. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to the skillet to saute the minced garlic together with the tomato, and add another 2 tablespoons of olive oil so that you can brown the chicken.
Once the chicken has some color, add the tomato and garlic back.
Add some water to the pan where you season the chicken so that you can clean up whatever seasoning is there, and pour the water to the chicken until it covers 3/4 of the chicken. Cover it up and let it cook. We're making baked sweet potato in the air fryer. Use a fork to poke some holes so that it doesn't explode during baking. We are keeping it simple with the seasoning with olive oil, salt, and black pepper. Sometimes less is more. Set the temperature to 375 and bake for 40 minutes. Chicken is done and it's smelling so good and the meat is so tender. Now let's check the sweet potato using a fork to see if it goes through easily. And it does. Now let's meal prep our lunch for the next 5 days. Now let's cut up the pineapple for breakfast and dinner. I don't know about you guys, but I've been seeing pineapple on sales everywhere, even in BJ's. These were 2 for $5. And it's just great to add pineapple to your weight loss diet because it reduces inflammation and improves digestion. Both really great things for us who are looking to lose some pounds. Dice half of the pineapple into smaller pieces and the other half into larger chunks. Place the smaller pieces into the refrigerator and the larger chunks into the freezer. You can do breakfast and dinner interchangeably between a yogurt and fruit or a smoothie. Use the smaller pieces of pineapple in the refrigerator for the yogurt and fruit. I also added some of the banana and pomegranate because they were on sale on another supermarket, 2 for $1. Just take advantage of any deal that your local supermarket might have so that you can stay healthy and on budget. We're making a green smoothie with banana, spinach, the frozen pineapple, and yogurt. Again, this can be your breakfast or your dinner. It's your choice. Thank you for sticking around. See you on the next one.